Don't hit that pickup.
2 for the show, yeah, we shut it down. 3 just to make sure you ready. 4, let them know that we run this town.
Well, heck, I think I got it to fit. Oh, great. Where's the X-Max gonna go in this little trunk? Not today, guys. But we're loaded up, gonna head to the races. It's about 7 a.m. in the morning, so catch up with everybody later.
We worked all week, the time has come for all us cowboys to have some fun. So grab yourself a nice cold beer and drop it down in a four-wheel drive. Man, what a great time to be alive. So get your butt in gear. We're all headed out to Tidwell's farm to roll in the hay, get down in the barn. Every cowgirl in town will be there waiting.
The car came out so good, man. Yeah, that thing looks awesome. Look at that thing. That's freaking so cool. But you guys won't ever guess what RC car that is. I want everybody to take a guess. So whoever leaves me a comment and can guess what car I used to own that this car is now become. Take a look at it, everyone. See if you can guess it. We'll go around the back here. You guys guess it yet?
Everybody's out, so let's have a good time. Strap your boots up and hold on tight, 'cause we're breaking through the atmosphere. Just getting started. This party has just begun, and it's only going up from here. So raise your hands, raise your hands, raise your hands. So raise your hands, raise your hands, raise your hands, raise your hands. Everybody out there, raise your hands up. Raise your hands like you're won't stop. Get ready to rock, come on, raise your hands, raise your hands.
Ooh, yeah. 56.
Oh, dude!
Hey, it got skid plates. Want to try it? Careful, it's super fast. Yeah. I told you it's squirrely. Start to balloon a little bit. Don't hit that pickup. You hit the pickup. It was him. It was not me. Guys, it was not me. It was my brother. That was that guy. Yes, you did. I'm gonna put the, yeah, they came up. That's why it's popping major woolies. Yeah. It's because it flipped 20 times. I don't know who did that. See, this is what we do, man. That way, I don't care if it breaks. Look at the scratches on it. Who gives a crap, man? This is what it's all about, having fun. Look, my brother just had a blast. He never ran one of these before. That's what this sport's all about. Hobby, I guess. Sport, hobby. I got him all the way down now. Yeah, it holds it down. Look at that. Woo! Yeah, getting the hang of it now, brother. It's different from the X-Max. X-Max got a lot more power. Alright, that's my little test for right now, guys. I still got all day tomorrow and later today. I'm gonna go charge these batteries, let them cool. Back to the pit. And there's the beginning of the day. Not too bad. Not bad at all. Perfect. That's what it's supposed to have. Let people know it's been ran. All right, guys. Talk to you soon.